What's the number one challenge of a salesperson, right? It is I have a huge amount of data and I want to personalize and engage that client so I know who my clients really are. I want to reach out to them as personalized as I can. Hi, this is Vikram here from Kylas, and today we are going to talk about how Agentic AI helps you create personalization at scale and how you are able to kind of make the pitch as good as possible and as personalized as possible at scale, so your outreach becomes actually really effective. So with Agentic AI, you are entering a phase where your outreach starts with one-to-many and eventually you get it one-to-one as you collect more information on your ICPs, right, and your contacts. So primarily starting with the reality check is you have limited data. So you probably have the company name, you have the LinkedIn profile, and you have some basic public information about the person you want to reach out to. But the good news is, if you write your language style or you try a couple of templates and give this information to the LLMs, it can pretty well customize the email or personalize the email to that particular person. So we have written a couple of agents here. You can just DM us and we'll send you some entertain agents which you can deploy anywhere for personalization. Helps a lot. Your open rates on email or WhatsApp replies grow a lot from there. What sequencing you want to do, the agents will decide. So you can give them prompts and decide the sequencing you want to do, and the agents will do it automatically. So to really make it work, which LLM works very well, I would highly recommend Google Gemini 3. You can create gems by industry. Also upload a lot of documents on how the industry sells, what are the challenges, any financial papers, interviews, and all these things of an industry. So the LLM will personalize the messages more with limited data. So you also have to create your RAG orchestration with industry-specific data so that the LLMs get more powerful in generating the right message. So now at this point, the LLM has limited data from your data entry. It is also hitting a RAG engine, which has the industry context, which is extremely strong. And it can orchestrate a message which can engage the client very well. So all these steps significantly improve your open rates, your first touch engagements and replies. Now as second step, you have more context on the client and you have better scores on the client, and your CRM data gets better if there are replies or anything, and it understand the context and intent much better. So for the second set of emails that you are going to send out, you get your CRM data and context. You get how engaged the client is. You get the fact if they have downloaded any white papers, have they responded to industry research papers and all these things. And again, you go back to your LLMs and kick it in. So we have given examples of a couple of agents here. And now beautifully, the next email or the set of WhatsApp message or even the crafting of LinkedIn message will become much better from here. So your personalization gets to a much better stage from here. If your salesperson or your SDRs are picking up the call and they had the first conversation, the transcript will also come in on the first conversation. It will understand the challenges better and start engaging your clients and your ICPs much better from there on. So this is the step of personalization that you can do at scale using LLMs and a contextual RAG engine, and you can get fabulous results here. Your open rates and your outreach, kind of the lift is at least 25 to 30% on how well you set it up, right? And obviously you don't blast things out. You take it up a notch every day to see how the engines respond, what your reply rates are, what your bounce rates are, and all these. The basic hygiene steps I have given in my previous videos. You can start personalizing your complete outreach with AI agents. Next step is one-on-one, and we will talk about it more on how the research agents and all these are going to help you engage the client one-on-one better.